Hi everyone, today my topic is image file format. What is an image file format? Image file format are a standard way of organizing and storing of image files. Image files are composed either pixel or vector data. The pixels that compose an image are ordered as a grid. Each pixel consists of numbers representing magnitudes of brightness and color. Image file size. This is expressed as number of bytes. This value depends on two factors. First one, number of pixels on the screen. Second one, bit depth. Large number of rows and columns increase the resolution and it leads to larger the file size. Image file compression. Image file compression is a term used to describe ways of cutting the size of the file. Why need image file compression? Image files typically are larger than the text files. Web pages often contain many images that are transmitted across connection that can be slow. Image files can be quite large, and a larger file type means more disk usage and slower downloads. Therefore, it is helpful to have a way to represent images in a compact format. Type of images file compression. There are two types of compression algorithms. First one, lossless compression. Second one, lossy compression. First we talk lossless compression. Algorithm reduce file without losing image quality, though they are not compressed into as a small file as a lossy compression file when image quality is valued about file size. Lossless algorithms are typically chosen because it lets you recreate the original file exactly. All lossless compression is based on the idea of breaking a file into a smaller form for transmission, storage, and then putting it back together on the other end so it can be used again. Secondly, we talk about lossy compression. These algorithms take advantage of the inherent limitation of the human eye and discard invisible information. Most lossy compression algorithms allow for variable quality level, and as these levels are increased, file size is reduced. At the highest compression level, image deterioration becomes noticeable as compression artifacting. Lossy compression works very different. These programs simply eliminate unnecessary bits of information, tailoring the file so that it's smaller. This type of compression is used a lot of reducing the file size of bitmap pictures, which tend to be very bulky. We can describe with some example. If there is an image where whose sky is blue, most of individual pixels are little bit different. To make this picture smaller without compression the resolution, you have to change the color value for certain pixels. If the picture had a lot of blue sky, the program would pick one color of blue that could be used for every pixel. Then the program rewrites the file so that value for every sky pixel refers back to this information. If the compression scheme works well, you won't notice the change, but the file size will be significantly reduced. With lossy compression, you can't get the original file back after it has been compressed. We have a lot of image file format. We talk about some of these. BMP. It's mean bitmap file format. It's uses only for bitmap graphics in Windows platform only. Compression of bitmap file is not supported since very large file size. The main advantage is their wide acceptance, simplicity and uses in Windows programs. It uses .bmp extension. BMP uses used for Microsoft Paint program, suitable for background images and wallpapers. This is especially true for screenshots. Images from scanner are usually stored in BMP files. Second topic, JPEG. It's mean Joint Photographic Expert Group. One of the most popular format for web graphics. Used lossy data compression technique. Support for 24-bit color information. Produce relatively small file sizes. When saving, use .jpg extension. When we the image again, the JPEG process plugs in factors back into the formula and generates the pixel that best represent the original image. JPEG uses mathematical formula based on the way eyes perceive color. JPEG compression algorithm looks at a pixel and its neighbors in all directions and find the factors for that formula which will best represent all those pixels. Rather than sorting the pixels, it compresses the image by storing only the factors to save space. When view the image again, the JPEG process plugs in factors back into the formula and generate the pixels that best represent the original image. JPEG uses most common in photographs and continuous tone bitmap images. All digital cameras have this option. Used as image compression algorithm in many Adobe PDF files. Ideal for web pages and emailing of photos. Other topic, GIF. It's mean graphics interchange format. One of the most popular file format for web graphics and for exchanging graphics file between computers. Support for 8-bit of color information or less. This makes GIF format suitable for sorting graphics with relatively few colors such as simple diagram shapes and cartoon style images. Use lossy compression. Because of this, it is effective when large areas have a single color. Ineffective for detailed or tethered image. When saving, use .gif extension. GIF uses support for animation and it is still widely used to provide image animation effect. Used for web graphics and exchanging graphics file between computers. PNG. It's mean portable network graphics. Similar to GIF, lossless data compression technique. PNG supports for true color, where GIF supports only for 256 colors. Platform independent. Should be used for single image, not for animation. Uses .png extension. PNG uses. The lossless PNG format is best suited for editing images. Second topic, TIFF. It's mean tag interchange file formats. Tag based format and used for bitmap images. platform independent, compatible with wide range of software application. This format is complex, so files larger than GIF or JPEG support for lossless compression. TIFF uses widely accepted as a photograph file standard in printing industry. EPE, its mean encapsulated PostScript, is a meta file format, can use for vector images or bitmap images, can be used in various platforms. This format contains PostScript information and should be used when printing to a PostScript output device. Use .eps extension. PICT, its mean picture file format, used for primarily Macintosh platform, most commonly used for bitmap images, lossless format. Therefore, files are very large. Use .pct extension. PICT users use in video editing, animation, desktop computer presentations, and multimedia authoring. Thank you guys.